I moved to Washington in 1979, and this is the only dentist's office I have ever been to. I started with Dr. Felber back in the early 80s, have been through Dr. Montado, now I'm with Dr. Patrician. Everything has gone very smoothly, and I can't imagine going anywhere else. I was referred to this place by my sister, who had been here for 10 years before that, so our family has a long history here. One thing I really appreciate here is how helpful the staff is when I have insurance issues to deal with. So I asked the staff for help when we were picking insurance plans. I said, what would help most with this particular practice? How would I deal with all the paperwork? And they set me in the right direction 2 years ago, and I haven't had to switch insurance since because they made a good recommendation, and we get it through my husband's work, so it's worked out very well for us. I have had mostly cleanings, a few issues with grinding because I grind my teeth and now they're pretty well set. Let's see, what else have I had done here? Mostly just tooth cleaning, bonding material to keep my teeth straight after I was wearing braces for 3 years as a 40-year-old. And let's see, what else? I think that's all. No extractions, luckily. Good teeth. My husband, however, 6 months ago had 4 teeth extracted and went home and ate dinner that night. Dr. Patrician did an amazing job. I couldn't believe that, A, my husband needed to have 4 teeth out in one time, and then we went home and had dinner, and he had 0 pain. No pain meds, nothing. It was fantastic.